Hey guys, and welcome back. See, I'm going to do this really easy New Year's Eve freehand nail design. So I'm going to use white, black, and gold, all by Sinful Colors, called Black on Black, Snowy White, and Supernova. And then I'm going to use a Silver Hollow by Color Club called Harp on it. So I painted my nails with the black polish, and I'm going to use my thin nail brush and draw some wavy lines. That's going to be kind of streamers coming from, the sky or whatever. I just thought this is a perfect design. You can do it with any colors you want, but I always associate New Year's with, glitter and gold and, shiny things. So that's why I wanted to do this design. But like I said, you can add any colors you want, and you don't have to do this design on all your nails. You can do it on one nail and paint all your other nails with a simple color, and it's really cute. I think so, but I love to add a bunch of shiny things on my nails, so that's my personal preference. And I wanted to use my nail brush. I had this brush for a while, and I have to say I really like it. I got it from Amazon. I don't have the name of it because it's not a big name brand, but it works really well. Then I'm just going to add some dots. You don't have to add them, but I thought it would tie in with my other design I'm going to show you. And I love adding dots, but if you don't want to, you don't have to do it. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you like this design. I hope I made it easy for you to recreate if you want. And here's my second design. I'm going to use the same thin brush with gold polish, and I'm going to write 2019. Like I said, this brush really worked well with me. Take your time doing it. I always think adding, the year, the new year, it's kind of something fun, and it's, a literal term for you really doing a New Year's design. Like I said, you can use any colors you want, but I just wanted something glittery and, shiny. And like I said, I just added some dots so that it ties in with my other design. I just thought it looked really cute and fun. And once I was done with that, I just applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I gave you a couple of options for your New Year's design. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. I hope you all have a happy and safe New Year's. See you guys next time.